I took this stud out. This one is already, I don't know if you can see the thread locker right there. I'm actually going to wipe it off. That doesn't have to stay like that. You see, that's a secure stud. They break. They usually break, but at least it's not going to come off. That's a different story. I'll manage so they don't break. I already found a trick that, you see, they last, you see, a long time, but that's not bad. Okay, so I got this other stud. I don't know where it went. I had it right here right now. Come on, I'll find it. I'm so tired. Like, wow. All right, so I'll find it. I have one more just in case. You see, this right here is missing the stud right here, and I have to put, you see, one of my gaskets here, metal gaskets with the right silicone, the copper spray silicone. So that's gonna be good.